Good morning, everybody. I just wanted to make a quick video for you. I had some kids, some other teachers ask me about emailing parents through campus, and I thought that there's probably some video somewhere from the district, but I would quickly show you the steps, and if you have questions, feel free to reach out. You can email me or give me a call or whatever you need to do. I also apologize if there's interruptions to this video. Two of my new coworkers are in the other room and hopefully behaving themselves. All right, so when you are in campus, this is what it looks like when you open it up. You'll go over to the three lines here, and you're going to want to be in the Message Center. So go ahead and click on Message Center. This will bring up the part where you can send out the emails. So your next step would be to click New up in the corner. And you want to send out a class message. And I believe that is all you have to do on this one. You will pick your delivery date. So if you wanted to send it today at 8:28 a.m. or whatever time you would like that to be delivered, you can change that. You will need to put in a subject. Try to spell it correctly. And then you can write whatever you need to write in here. And then you will click, then you will click, I'm going to take me away for a minute because I don't know if this is blocking. You will click the next button. I'm gonna move this. Click next, and that will bring you to the next screen where you can choose to have all the recipients from all your sections, and you can pick which class you want it to go to. So for instance, in 4th grade we have a different math class or a reading class. You might want to just send it to them. Otherwise, if you send it to your homeroom, it will go to all your students. If you have all your students all day, it wouldn't really matter which one you pick unless you don't grade some of your students for some of the subjects. You'll want to choose homeroom. And you can choose if you want it to go to the student messenger contacts, which would be their parents, any of the emails that are in campus for that student, or you could have it go to the students themselves. For the older kids, that might be a nice thing to do. And then you will click next again. Of course, my thing is in the way, so click next. This will show you all the information so you can make sure. It's really hard to accidentally send something because there's a bunch of times when you have to check it. So this says when it's going to send, how many people it's sending to, and in the bottom corner here again, sorry, I keep moving this, you can review the recipients. If you click that, it will give you a list of all the parents' emails that it's going to, or all the students that it's going to, and you can actually uncheck them if for some reason you didn't want it to go to somebody, or if you wanted to send it to a specific person. This is where you would then click send if you were ready to send it. I am not actually going to send this email. I will be sending one later, but it will have more information in it. So I'm just going to close out, but I hope this was helpful. If you have questions about this, please let me know. I yeah, I don't really know. Sorry that it's kind of rambling, but I hope everyone is doing well, and I will see you soon.